Καλησπέρα κυρίες και κύριοι. Σήμερα έχουμε a lovely pasta pennes dish, which everyone's gonna love and adore. You're going to need tomato sauce, pasta pennes, tomato paste, olive oil, salt, pepper, 1 bay leaf, feta, rigani, and garlic. Now you're going to need 2 liters of water, bring it to a boil, add salt, and then the pasta. Make sure you read the package instructions for how long it takes for al dente. My instructions on the package say 10 to 11 minutes. Don't forget every couple of minutes to stir the pasta so it doesn't stick together. Now that the pasta is cooking, it's a good time to get our ingredients ready. Let's begin by squishing 3 cloves of garlic. Don't forget to take the skin off. When you're squishing the garlic, be very careful you don't cut yourself. Now, begin to chop the garlic into little pieces. Now that we're finished chopping up the garlic, let's begin with the feta. Do the same thing with the feta. Chop it up into little pieces. It's been 10 to 11 minutes now. Let's take a look at the pasta, see how it's doing. I think it's time to strain the pasta, but before we strain the pasta, let's take some pasta water, which we'll need for the sauce later on. We're going to need a pan, medium heat, and then add the olive oil. As soon as the olive oil is hot enough, add the garlic. We only want the garlic to cook for 20 to 30 seconds, and then we're going to add the tomato pasta. After adding the tomato pasta, cook it with the garlic for another 20 to 30 seconds. Now let's add the tomato sauce. Give everything a really good stir. The sauce looks a bit thick, so let's add some pasta water to it. Now we're going to add a nice pinch of rigani, salt and pepper to taste, and a bay leaf. Give the sauce a really good stir. If you think the sauce is a bit too thick, add some more pasta water because we're going to let it simmer for at least 15 minutes. After we let the sauce simmer, it's time to add the feta. Once we add the feta in the sauce, let it cook for around 30 seconds so it starts melting slowly before we add the pasta. After the 30 seconds, you see that the feta is starting to melt. Now it's time to add the pasta. As soon as you add the pasta, start mixing everything well so the sauce goes everywhere. After giving it a good mix, it's time to serve. Like always, και καλή σας όρεξη!